Tesla Model 315. Laser cut for precise fit. No need to trim the edges, as it is compatible with Tesla Model 3. Enjoy hassle-free cleaning. To keep your GPS screen protector clear and dust-free, simply wipe it with a microfiber cloth. No need to use harmful cleaning substances. Reduce fingerprint smudges. Layered with an oleophobic coating that repels oil left from your fingerprints and adds an additional smoothness to the navigating screen. Superior protection, 9H hardness and 0.26mm thickness. This glass cover maintains the touch capabilities of your GPS navigator while ensuring better smooth touching feeling, anti-scratch and anti-explosion. Crisp and clear visuals. Installing the screen cover will not affect the color, icon size and touch screen capabilities of your GPS display. It will only keep it safe from dust, scratches, oil, water and fingerprints, etc. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.